When it comes to painting your home, it's important to allow ample drying time. Today, we're in Fairfax with Diamond Certified Expert Contributor John Malloy of John Malloy Painting to learn why.
Drying time, often overlooked by many people. It's a really important part of the painting process to apply a prime coat and a finish coat and then another finish coat. It's really important to allow several hours between coats and most likely overnight. I prefer to let coats dry overnight. I don't like to let a prime coat dry after a few hours and then reapply another coat over it. You get better results and long-lasting life out of your paint job if you let the paint dry properly.
To learn more from local top-rated companies, visit our Diamond Certified Expert reports at experts.diamondcertified.org.